You over 30, 40, hell even 50, thinking about starting a YouTube channel, it's not that bad of an idea. And I'm going to tell you why in this video. Okay? I'm Chappy Uncut. Coming in here today on a Wednesday for my greater confessions. Late bloomers getting into this game, such as myself, can actually make really great creators. You have knowledge that people could be looking for just from life, from being the age that you are and living your life, growing and learning everything that you have. Nobody's lived the same life. Everybody's had a different life. Everyone's had a different way of growing up, which means you have unique knowledge that other people won't have, even in your age range, and especially people younger than you. Okay, so when you're starting on YouTube, if you really want to make a channel, you want to get things going, just think for a second, okay? You don't need to be an expert on anything. You only need to know more than someone a year, 2, 3, 4 younger than you. Hell, 20, 25 in my case. I'm doing it, you can do it too. You just got to commit and jump on it. Yeah, there's going to be issues. There's going to be problems. You're going to have people looking at you like you're a weirdo because for some reason YouTube is this no-no zone where all the young people just put up their dancing videos and, you know, nip slips and whatever the hell else they got on. But that, honestly, to me, from what I've seen, that's mostly TikTok. YouTube is still a platform where you can get out there and you can build a community. You can build something that matters, something that will mean something to you as well as other people. When people subscribe, they want to know what you have to say. They're starting to really hone in on you as a person and the knowledge that you have. Otherwise, they wouldn't subscribe. They wouldn't watch your videos. And even when you don't have a whole lot of subscribers, like myself right now, still just starting out, the videos are still being pushed out to people who would watch that sort of content just straight through from the algorithm. So whether they subscribed or not, they might still be watching your videos. And those are the people that we're making these videos for. That's the whole reason we started a channel. So listen, if you're up there in age, I'm 45, you can still do this, you can still make it work, and you can still make it another source of revenue for you later on when retirement comes, which I'm really hoping I can pull that off. Come 55, 60, 65 in there, I'm hoping that my YouTube channel has already become a revenue source for me, along with maybe a couple others that will help me out in retirement and help me out later in life. If you put things together properly, obviously if you invest properly and everything and it starts going, you start actually making some money with this, then, you know, dream realized. Or even if it's not a dream, just extra source of income, yay for me. Honestly, if YouTube pulls off paying, you know, the phone bill, I'm pretty happy with that. Not looking to make millions here. I was looking more to get better at public speaking, get better at speaking in general, stop with the ums and the ahs and everything else. And I feel like I am getting better now that I've been doing this for about 2 weeks. I still have a long way to go. I still have to watch back some of my videos and take a real good look at what I'm doing wrong and where, but I feel like I'm getting there, and I feel like it's slowly building. I'm growing. If you watch one of my other videos, if you're not growing, then your YouTube channel is not going to grow. And I still feel that way now. And I also made a comment where it's all about consistency, clarity, and there was another C word that for some reason is escaping me right now. But being consistent, being clear, let's go with honest on this one. It makes its way through into your viewers. They can tell. They can see if you're being honest, if you're being sincere. So do that. Try it out. Go pop your channel up. Let me know that you did. Okay, subscribe to the videos. or to the channel, watch the videos, like the videos, comment, leave comments. If you think I'm wrong, leave a comment. Tell me that I'm wrong. If you think I'm right, leave a comment. Tell me what you're going to do. Ask me questions about how hard this is or how easy this is or anything like that. And don't worry, yes, you have the equipment to do it because you have a phone that you're watching this on probably right now. That's all you need to get started. As you go and you grow, you can up your equipment. You really don't need much to start a YouTube channel though. So we'll leave it at that right there today. You guys take it easy. You got this. See you in the next one.